Did you know that many powerful iOS apps and emulators are locked because JIT is disabled? But today, I'll show you a new working method in 2026 to enable JIT on iPhone or iPad, even on non-jailbroken devices. This works on iOS 17, iOS 18, iOS 26, even newer versions, so make sure you watch this video until the end. Alright, let's dive into it. JIT stands for Just-in-Time Compilation. It allows apps to run code dynamically, which massively improves performance. Without JIT, apps like game or emulator will either crash, lag, or not open at all. Now we need to enable JIT using StikDebug. As you may already know, StikDebug was officially available on the App Store. However, Apple has removed StikDebug from the App Store, so the official method no longer works. But don't worry, I will show you a new working method to enable JIT without the App Store version. To install StikDebug using the new method, you only need a computer one time. This method uses iLoader because iLoader can automatically generate the pairing file required by StikDebug. Without this pairing file, JIT will not work. First, download the StikDebug IP file and the iLoader installer for your computer. I will put all download links in the description. Next, install and open iLoader on your computer. Next, log into your Apple ID inside iLoader. Enter your Apple ID email and password. If you are asked for verification, simply enter the two-factor authentication code sent to your trusted Apple device. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a cable. If your device does not connect to iLoader, you need to install iTunes or Apple devices from the Microsoft Store on Windows. This is required so Windows can properly recognize your iPhone or iPad and allow iLoader to communicate with it. After installing iTunes or Apple devices, reconnect your device and iLoader should detect it normally. Once your device is connected and logged in, go to the installer section inside iLoader. Now, click Import IP button. Select the StikDebug IP file you downloaded earlier, and start the installation process. Wait a moment while iLoader installs StikDebug on your device. After the installation is complete, check your iPhone or iPad, and you will see StikDebug installed on the home screen. Before opening the app, you must verify it first. Go to Settings, hit General, open VPN and Device Management. Trust the developer profile for StikDebug. If you can't open StikDebug, make sure developer mode is enabled on your device. Go to Privacy and Security. Enable developer mode. After that, StikDebug should open normally. Once verified, StikDebug is ready to use. Now let's move on to enabling JIT. Next, we need to set up the pairing file for StikDebug. Go back to iLoader on your computer. Open the Manage Pairing File section. Click Place Pairing File for StikDebug. iLoader will automatically generate and place the required pairing file. Once this is done, the pairing file is ready and StikDebug can communicate properly with your device. Next, if you encounter a heartbeat error, you need to set up Tunnel using local DVPN. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Download local DVPN. Open the app and connect it. Local DevVPN allows StikDebug to maintain a stable connection and fixes the heartbeat issue. Once connected, keep local DevVPN running while using StikDebug. Now everything is set up correctly, and we're ready to enable JIT. Now, to enable JIT for any app using StikDebug, the app must be sideloaded. You can sideload apps using iLoader, Sideloaded, AltStore, and more. In my case, I want to enable JIT for Pojab Launcher Amethyst version on my iPhone. Next, once the app is installed, let's check the JIT status. As you can see, JIT is not enabled yet. Now we'll enable JIT using StikDebug. Tap Connect by App. Select the app you want to enable JIT for. Once selected, the app will open automatically. Now, you can check whether JIT is enabled. As you can see, JIT is successfully enabled. That means everything is working correctly. So, that's it. Even in 2026, you can still enable JIT on iPhone and iPad using StikDebug without App Store version. All download links and extra guides are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.